market.
Subscribe to watch more videos.
Little Jack and Magic Seed.
Once there was a pleasant village. That village looked so beautiful. There lived a little boy named Jack with his mother. They earned money for living by selling milk from the cow they had. One day, Jack went to fetch milk from the cow. The cow hit him hard. Then Jack ran to his mother. He said, "This cow is not listening to me, mother. Let us sell this cow." His mother asked, "What will we do for milk if we sell this one? How will we earn our living?" Jack said, "We shall sell this one and buy another one, Mummy." Mummy tried to console him, but he was stubborn to sell the cow. Mummy then said, "Okay, sell it as you wish." When Jack was taking the cow to the market, he met a magic man on his way. He asked, "Where are you taking this cow?" Jack said, "I am going to the market to sell this cow." The magic man said, "Who is it? Can you give it to me, cow?" Jack asked, "What will you give me in return?" The magic man gave him a magic bean but did not tell anything specific about it. Jack said, "I think this will be useful to me. Thank you so much." The magic man said, "Good luck, little boy. Bye." He then went with the cow. Jack took the bean and happily went home. He said to his mother, "Mummy, look what I have brought in return for selling the cow." Mummy asked, "What have you brought? Show me." He showed the bean to his mother. Mummy said, "What have you done? Just for this ordinary bean, you have given the cow?" She scolded him for what he did. Jack was so sad. She threw the bean into the garden. Jack was very sad and went to sleep. The next day began, and Jack was so sad thinking about what had happened yesterday. He unhappily went to the garden. At that time, a bean fell on his head. He fell down with its hit. He then got up from there and was surprised to find a huge beanstalk in their garden. The bean that his mother threw has grown so huge and tall. He then understood that it was a magic bean. He wanted to know what was on top of it, so he started climbing the beanstalk. He kept on climbing and still he had a long way to reach the top. The branch went above the clouds. Jack did not give up climbing. Finally, he reached the top of the beanstalk. There he was surprised to see a big, beautiful castle. He wished to go into the castle. He went to the castle crossing a bridge which connects the castle and the beanstalk. Jack was shocked to hear a cough sound. He then thought to himself, "I think someone is inside the castle." He silently went into the castle. he saw an old man lying on the bed. The old man asked, "Who are you? How did you come here?" Jack said, "I came through the beanstalk." The old man said, "Is it? What is your name, little boy? Tell me about you." Jack said, "I am Jack." The old man said to Jack, "I have grown so old, I couldn't do any work on my own." He tried to take a glass of water from the table. He again tried, but the glass fell down. On seeing it, Jack thought to help the old man. He then decided to make a robot which could help the old man. Jack used the things from that place and prepared an intelligent robot. He then gifted that robot to the old man. The old man said, "This robot looks so good. I like it so much." Jack said, "You need not depend on others for help. This robot will help you." The old man asked the robot to bring a glass of water. The robot immediately did the work. The old man was so much pleased and thanked Jack. Since Jack helped him, he decided to give a gift. The old man instructed the robot to bring the gift back from the table. The robot did as said by the old man. The old man gave the gift and thanked him again. Jack received the gift and happily went to meet his mother. Mummy asked, "What have you got in your hand, my son?" Jack said, "I helped an old man. He gave this as a reward." Jack then said everything about what had happened. Jack's mother was so happy and appreciated him. Mummy said, "Open the bag and see what the gift is." Jack opened it and they were surprised to see that there was many gold coins. They were so happy to get the gold coins. They used those gold coins to buy cows and earn their living. Kids, if you do good to others, good things will happen to you. Bye-bye, kids.
Subscribe to watch more videos.